This is a 2008 GMC Yukon, a big SUV for big fun. It has a 6.2-liter 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a sunroof, third-row seats, a 10-speaker audio system, XM satellite radio, 18-inch wheels, and power-adjustable gas and brake pedals enable you to change their height and distance to fit your body rather than you fit to their positions. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, wood trim interior accents, variable valve timing, trailer wiring, an illuminated passenger side vanity mirror, stability control, steering wheel controls, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. Not to mention that this GMC qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.